everybody! Hello, this is Bryce's dad. And Bryce is having a Subway sandwich for the first time ever, so of course, in true YouTuber fashion, we're recording it because YouTubers can't do anything for the first time without sharing it with the world. That's just my editorial comment. That's not necessarily true. Alright, so why don't we eat it like a human and over a plate or the counter where we don't make a mess all over the floor. So Bryce, what do you have for us today? What is in your sandwich?
Turkey, cucumber, lettuce, and American cheese, and it's toasted.
Toasted? Okay. Excellent. Alright.
And cucumber.
Well, that's alright. You don't always get everything in every bite. Right? Let's take a look at what you got there. Yeah, look at that. It's a pretty good looking sandwich. How you doing it? Chewing it there. You okay? You need a glass of water to help wash that down or anything? You good? Yeah, okay. Let's come closer to the... There you go. Oh, look at that. This is exactly why parents say eat over your plate or eat over the counter or eat over, not just walking around. Maybe if you turn it around and eat, yeah, see how there's all that goodness right there. So what do you think?
Pretty good.
It's alright? Yeah, it's pretty good? Yeah? Excellent. So what do you think? Okay, you look really sad. You look like this is like the saddest sandwich you have ever eaten in your entire life. Does eating the sandwich make you sad?
No.
Does having the camera on make you sad? Does your dad saying constantly, please eat over the counter, make you sad? No. Alright, so we'll come back to you when you've finished eating a little bit. Okay, so here we are with the post-interview for Bryce and his first time ever Subway sandwich. So let's take it away, Bryce. Hey, man. So tell us again what sandwich you just had?
Subway CLT. It has cucumbers, lettuce, and turkey with American cheese toasted.
On what kind of bread?
Italian.
Alright, so was that your first time ever having a sandwich from Subway?
Yes.
Yes, and what did you think of it?
I thought it was pretty good, except the lettuce. There was more lettuce than anything, and that's all I really could taste.
Alright. Would you have it again?
Yes.
What would you do different next time?
Like, not get as much lettuce.
Yeah, so you'd ask for just a little bit of lettuce? Yeah. Did you have any sauce or dressing or mayonnaise or anything on it? No, so it's dry. Yeah. Okay. And did you say Italian? What kind of bread?
Italian.
Italian, okay. Alright, well that's awesome. So thank you very much for sharing that experience with us, and we look forward to checking in with you soon. Any last minute words for your fans out there? Nope, nothing to say. Alright, man. Thanks! So there you have it. It's from Bryce. He is 9 years, 360... Today's 27, so that's 962 days old, which is kind of amazing. What? 9 years, 362 days. Yeah. So, yeah. Alright, thanks, everybody. Take care.